Welcome to the Skilled MBA Operations Management Case Study Series. In this edition, we explore Enerjisa Üretim's digital transformation in Turkey's dynamic energy sector. Under new leadership, the company undertook a strategic pivot, expanding its renewable energy portfolio while driving operational excellence through automation. From optimizing electricity generation to embracing cutting-edge digital tools, Enerjisa has set a powerful benchmark in the region. This case exemplifies how technology, leadership, and sustainability intersect to transform traditional energy operations into a future-ready enterprise. Enerjisa Üretim's journey highlights digital transformation in Turkey's energy sector, focusing on renewable energy expansion and operational excellence through automation. Strategic pivots under new leadership have been crucial in revolutionizing the energy landscape, showcasing how digital innovation can drive significant industry advancements. Enerjisa Üretim, established in 2017, faced initial financial and operational challenges. In 2018, Chief Executive Officer İhsan Erbil Beykol launched a dual focus on renewable expansion and digital transformation. By 2022, they achieved Turkey's first fully automated hydroelectric plant and launched Senkron. In 2023, a strategic partnership with Microsoft expanded their energy tech services. İhsan Erbil Beykol's leadership since 2018 focused on leveraging Turkey's renewable energy incentives and digital technology to enhance operational efficiency. By developing proprietary solutions for internal use and commercialization, Beykol created a unique competitive advantage in Turkey's energy market, aligning with the company's strategic vision for growth and innovation. Strategic investments in wind energy projects align with Turkey's sustainability targets, enhancing regulatory incentives. Modernizing hydroelectric plants and developing new facilities with advanced automation boosts efficiency. Complementary solar investments diversify the renewable portfolio, maximizing generation during peak demand. These initiatives collectively strengthen the renewable energy landscape, supporting national goals. The rapid expansion of renewable energy in Turkey presents operational challenges. Facilities are geographically dispersed, requiring a specialized technical workforce. Maintenance needs have increased, and complex regulatory compliance is essential. Additionally, weather-dependent generation forecasting complicates operations. Traditional models struggle to support this growth effectively. Digital transformation revolutionized operations with remote monitoring, enabling real-time performance tracking via central dashboards. Automation allows intelligent systems to make operational adjustments autonomously. Cloud integration ensures secure, scalable data storage and processing. Predictive analytics, powered by artificial intelligence, forecasts maintenance needs and energy production, enhancing efficiency and reliability. Senkron, the digital nerve center at Enerjisa, revolutionizes operations with centralized control of all generation assets. It offers 24/7 monitoring with minimal staff, AI-assisted decision-making, and proactive maintenance scheduling. This innovation allows Enerjisa to manage more facilities efficiently, enhancing reliability and reducing the need for on-site personnel. Turkey's first fully automated hydro plant operates without on-site staff, achieving 24/7 operation through automated water flow and load adjustments. This innovation has led to a 40% reduction in operational costs compared to traditional staffing models, showcasing a significant advancement in efficiency and cost-effectiveness in the energy sector. The strategic alliance with Microsoft provides Enerjisa access to a global cloud infrastructure, enhancing cybersecurity and technical expertise. This partnership enables co-development of energy solutions and international market access, transforming Enerjisa's proprietary technologies into commercial digital products for the global energy market. Enerjisa's digital energy solutions originated from internal needs, evolving into proprietary technologies. These solutions were then commercialized, leveraging the Microsoft partnership for global distribution. This strategic shift redefined Enerjisa from an energy producer to a technology provider, enhancing its market position and expanding its influence in the energy sector. CEO Baykal must decide between three growth paths: expanding renewable energy through wind and solar, achieving automation excellence by converting plants to full automation, or focusing on digital solutions in energy technology. Allocating limited resources effectively is crucial to maintaining operational excellence while pursuing these strategic options. Analyzing market growth potential, investment needs, and expected returns is crucial. Address technical talent acquisition challenges and assess the competitive landscape in Turkey and globally. Consider regulatory environments and incentives. Success hinges on balancing traditional energy operations with emerging digital business models, ensuring strategic alignment with growth paths. Digital transformation is reshaping the energy sector, emphasizing data, automation, and digital capabilities. Companies must pursue renewable expansion and digital excellence simultaneously. New business models allow energy producers to monetize operational technology through commercial digital products. Leadership vision is crucial, as demonstrated by Baykal's strategic pivot from a traditional utility to a technology-driven innovator. Thank you for your attention. For further inquiries or resources on operations management and digital transformation, contact Skilled MBA at support@skilledmba.com or visit our website. We offer world-class case studies and learning materials tailored for Master of Business Administration students and professionals.